Hello, Mike Trevani here. Today we're going to be talking about drinking water. I'm fortunate enough to have Nick, a master plumber with Loyalty Plumbing, talk about drinking water and reverse osmosis.
Yes, we have 3 types of water that you can drink: your tap water, your filtered water, and your reverse osmosis. Here I have a total dissolved solids reader telling how much stuff is inside of your water. When you're testing the city water, you're typically around 400 parts per million. When you hop over to your filtered water, you're around 150 parts per million. And lastly, reverse osmosis has very close to 0. This one has about 8. When you're choosing your water, try to go for reverse osmosis. It's the cleanest water that you can have.
Any question about drinking water, give Nick a call. Their information is going to be at the bottom. They do offer special deals on replacing your filters. And any questions about buying, selling real estate, Mike and Team Trevani.